Right now it's the evening, and tomorrow we're doing something potentially pretty stupid, which is climbing Roy's Peak for sunrise. Sunrise is about 6:30. The walk is about 3 hours, so we've got to get up for 3 AM. I want to know how you're feeling about tomorrow.
Not great.
Why?
Because I have a poly stomach.
How do you think that's going to affect you?
I think it's probably going to make me grumpy. It's probably going to hurt, and it's probably going to be awful.
But how are you willing to take it on?
Head on.
There's actually quite a few people here. How are you feeling on such a fine morning? Not sure. Final stop till we get to the viewpoint. This is the point where we'll get to the photo, isn't it? Thanks will do for us. Get the jumpers on. So we're basically just going to wait here till the sun rises, but it seems that everyone else is going up to the very top. There's only a couple of other people here on the actual viewpoint. So hopefully it'll be quite quiet. There's a bike camping over there. How are you feeling?
I'm so glad I brought the second jumper.
Yeah. Oh, I'm jealous of you. You got 2 hoods?
Yeah.
I'm so jealous of you. Tell you what, that was bloody unreal. It's like when it's completely dark, waiting for the sun to come up and then it's slowly appearing. When it's something like this, it's mad. Oh, Lucy's shot off ahead now. I've got to try and find her. Probably meet her at the van. Hi! How are you doing?
Dead.
How far was I behind you?
I've literally just got here.
Really?
Have you run a bit?
I ran and I did all the shortcuts.
18,500 steps.
Right, let's go get a shower. Get in them porta showers. How fresh are you feeling after your shower?
Pretty damn fresh.
Fresh airs. So this is Lucy's treat for completing Roy's Peak. Well done. How excited are you for that? Yeah, I haven't decided mine yet.
We can go to that bakery place and get a croissant. You already got the... I hope that's yours.
Thank you for spilling my coffee. Sadly, after Roy's Peak, it was time to say goodbye to Wanaka. Such an unreal place. The vibe, nature, just everything about it. Our next stop was Queenstown. As we were approaching, the Remarkables mountain range comes into sight. And wow, is it quite something. Check out where we are for a little spot of lunch. Look at this place. It's lovely. This is going to be our camping spot for tonight, but it turns out there's like a bungee jumping area around the corner here. So we're going to have a little look at people doing that. That looked pretty mad, but we're sticking to our tight budget.
I'll do that anyway.
You wouldn't. I think that's us done for the day today. So in a bit, I'll see you in the next one.
Straight now after I put the camera. Oh, it's soft. You won't like it. Super soft.
How's that as a,
I like that though.
how's that as a reward?